Hey guys, welcome. Kat right here. So it's a little bit stormy outside. I would much rather be outside doing a project, but hey, we'll make do with what we got. So this is our front room. And to tell you the truth, I really love this room, but it's kind of like a cave in the sense that we need to make sure it has good lighting or it just is so dark. But the lighting that's in here is up here on this wonderful molding that was made by my grandpa. You can see it's very beautiful. It's got all this edges. But the light bulbs up there have not been replaced for probably years. I don't remember the last time we replaced them. And it sets such a cool mood because it kind of lights up this whole area, but you can't see the light bulbs. So that's what we're going to be doing today. And in this video is replacing these light bulbs. So come with me, let's replace light bulbs.
There she is. This is why you have a tall wife. This is like a pro tip to all those boys out there that are short like me that can't reach things. You just marry a tall Barbie and then make her get everything for you.
Oh, you make me, huh? Tell you the truth, I don't know how these things come out.
Just gotta use your girl strength.
They're twisting. Oh, I figured it out.
Let's see what she's got going on up here.
I just wasn't twisting far enough. I kind of twisted just a little bit, but you got to twist much more. Hey guys, look at this light bulb. This thing is so dirty. And thinking back, we've been living in this house for probably about 20 years now, and honestly, we've never replaced these. I don't know when they were last replaced before that, so man, honestly, I'm kind of guessing this thing might be 30 years old, but ugh, it is so dirty. We're gonna put it there and pull the other ones out. Alright guys, I gotta go get those new light bulbs. I'm going to Home Depot, so I'll be right back. Guys, so as you probably guessed, this is one of my favorite stores, good old Home Depot. It's where we're going to get our light bulb. I think Josh found the long light bulbs. Which ones do we need, Joshy?
Blue, white. Blue, white. Blue, white. We have a serious problem here as we're trying to check out and get our light bulbs. Kat realized she can't pay without using her $4 coupon
Nope, I found out
she had saved up.
This is $8.
Oh wow. You just saved the day with that.
Oh yes.
Dun, 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 dun.
Do you love the lighting? Because I sure do. It looks really good in here. I hope you can see. I'm sure that camera doesn't show it very well, but you like my outfit? Just went to a wedding reception and yeah, it was very nice, but it is raining pretty hard outside and it's quite late, so I'm gonna be going to bed. So remember, work hard, play hard. We'll see you on the next project.